language processor. Language processor converts instruction present in one language into another language. Types of language processor. Language processors are of three types: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. What is assembler? This language processor converts assembly language into machine language. What is compiler? This language processor converts high-level language or source code into machine language or object code in one go and reports all the errors at once along with line number. So dear students, compiler converts high-level language into machine language in one go and reports all the error at once along with line number. High-level language code is also called source code, and machine-level language code is also called object code. So dear student, compiler converts source code into object code in one go and reports all the errors at once along with line number. What is interpreter? This language processor converts high-level language into machine language in line-by-line manner. If an error is found in any line, further execution stops till it's corrected. So dear student, interpreter converts high-level language into machine language in line-by-line manner. If an error is found in any line, further execution stops till it is corrected. Difference between a compiler and an interpreter. Compiler converts the whole source program into object program at once. Interpreter converts source program into the object program one line at a time. Compiler displays the error for the whole program together after the compilation. Interpreter displays the errors one line at a time only after debugging that error. The control goes to the next line. Thank you. Have a nice day.